Find the sum of the vector A vector is given to you I minus 2j plus k, and the second vector is given to you B vector equal to minus 2i plus 4j plus 5k, and the C vector is given to you I minus 6j minus 7k. What you have to do? You have to find the sum of these three vectors. Sum of these three vectors you have to do. Look at these three vectors are given to you. You will do the add. So how you will add these? I coefficients you will add. Then you will add the j coefficient. Then you will add the k coefficient. So if you add the I coefficient, you will get these. J coefficient you will add, you will get, and k coefficients you will add, and you will solve this 1 minus 2 plus 1, you will get a 0i. So final result is minus 4j and minus k. So you understand this is a very simple. This question, for given vector A equal to 2i minus j plus 2k, and the second vector is minus I plus j minus k. Find the unit vector in the direction of A plus B. So first of all, you have to given this A and B you can write it. Then you will find the A plus B, and A plus B you know how to find this I coefficient, J coefficient, and K coefficients you will add, and the result you will get 1i plus 0j plus 1k. That final result is I plus k you will get. And now you will find the modulus. Find the modulus. So look here, when you find the modulus, what you get here, root 1 square plus 1 square, that is get root 2. Now you have A plus B, and modulus of A plus B you have. Now unit vector in the direction of A plus B vector is you know already the formula, that A plus B vector upon the modulus of A plus B, that you divide I plus k, you will divide by root 2, you will get answer is 1 upon root 2 I plus 1 upon root 2 k. Find the position vector of a point R which divides the line joining two points P and Q, whose position vector are I plus 2j minus k, and second is minus I plus j plus k respectively, in the ratio 2:1. One first is internally, second is externally. Internally we have the formula is m b vector plus n a vector upon m plus n, and for externally we have the formula m b vector minus n a vector upon m minus n. Now the a, what is the a is? A is the op vector, this is a, and the second vector is the b vector we will have. Now what is the m ratio n? That is already given to you. M here, m is given to you 2, and n is given to you 1, and this is the op is a, and this oq is b. These all value you will put in this formula, so you will get or when this R divide the PQ Q internally in ratio 2:1. So place of M you put 2, and place of B you will put the value OQ plus 1, means N is 1, and this is your A vector we have upon 2 plus 1. So you will first vector you multiply by 2, and the second vector you multiply by 1, and then you will add and then divide by 3. You will get this final answer is minus 1 upon 3i plus 4 upon 3j plus 1 upon 3k. And for the external, if you have the same question is for external, so this place of plus you have to do the minus only, and you will find this plus sign you have, and here you have minus sign. So you will solve these, you will get minus 3i plus 3k. So it is a very simple question, section formula, so you can do this. Look here, this question number 16. Find the position vector of the midpoint of the vector joining the point P is given 2, 3, 4, and Q is given 4, 1 and minus 2. So for the first point is 2, 3, 4, and second point is Q is 4, 1 and minus 2. So these will point we can find out the position vectors for these both P and Q, and then you will get OR. Where midpoints means these two, you will add and divide by 2. So you will add, you know already how to add II coefficients, you will add JJ coefficient, you add, and KK coefficients you add, and you will get 6I plus 4j plus 2k, that you divide by 2. You will get here final answer is 3I plus 2j plus 1k. So that the points ABC with position vector A is given to you, B is given and C given, respectively form the vertices of a right angle triangle. Look here, this triangle is given to you. Here this is A and this is B and this is C. This A, B, C are given to you. So position vectors of ABC given, but you have to find here AB vector, BC vector and CA vector. And AB vector, how we can find? AB vector means B minus A you will do. So B minus A you will get here minus I plus 3j plus 5k. Similarly find BC vector, and BC vector will be C minus B. You will 1 minus 2I plus minus 3 plus 1j plus minus 5 minus 1k, that will be equal to minus I minus 2j and minus 6k. Similarly you find the CA vector, that is A minus C you will do. So A minus C you will do similarly, you will get here 2I minus j and plus k. Modulus of AB square you will find, that you will get A square plus B square plus C square. So from these you will do the modulus of these. So you will get here 1 plus 9 plus 25 equal to 35 you get. Similarly find the modulus of BC. Modulus of BC square you will find here. So you will get here 41. And same as it is, you find the modulus of CA. So modulus of CA square you will find, that you get here 6. Now here 41 is a largest number, and this largest number is equal to sum of 35 and 6. You can write means 41 equal to 35 plus 6 you can write. So here 41, the largest side is a hypotenuse and other two sides are base and perpendicular. So here AB square plus CA square equal to BC square we have, means here this Pythagoras theorem is applied. So we can say ABC is a right angle triangle, and here angle A will be right angle triangle because the BC is a hypotenuse, means opposite to BC is a angle A and angle A is a right angle. So this type you can prove this is a right angle triangle. What is not true means what is the false, that you have to find out. So look here in this diagram, we have here AB vector plus BC vector is equal to AC vector. Okay, and first is what is AB we have, BC we have, and opposite to AC will be CA, that is given to you here. So this is correct here. And next is second, you check that AB plus BC minus AC, means AC you transfer the right hand side, you get this second. So this is also true. Now third, you check AB plus BC minus CA will be wrong. So this C is a wrong we have here, so not true. So answer is C. Next is AB and minus CB, means BC we change in a CB, so minus you can write, and CA plus CA, that is also correct here. So here the answer is C.